The year without a summer, a climatic catastrophe that changed the world. Imagine a year where summer never truly arrives. A year when crops fail, frost destroys harvests, and people across continents struggle to survive. This isn't a dystopian fiction. This is the remarkable true story of 1816, known to history as the year without a summer. In this narrative journey, we'll explore how a single volcanic eruption on the other side of the planet transformed the lives of millions, reshaped migration patterns, and left an indelible mark on human history. Act 1. The eruption of Mount Tambora. Let's travel back to April 1815, to a remote Indonesian island called Sumbawa. Here, Mount Tambora, a massive stratovolcano, begins to awaken. What follows is the most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded human history. On April 10, 1815, the mountain literally blew itself apart. The explosion was so immense that it could be heard 1,600 miles away. To put this into perspective, imagine an eruption 100 times more powerful than the famous 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption in the United States. The volcanic blast ejected an estimated 160 cubic kilometers of material into the atmosphere. That's roughly equivalent to 24 billion Olympic-sized swimming pools of rock, ash, and gases. Massive columns of volcanic debris rose over 43 kilometers into the sky, dramatically altering global atmospheric conditions. Act 2. Global climate disruption. The immediate aftermath of the Tambora eruption wasn't just a local disaster, it became a global climate event. Volcanic ash and sulfur dioxide created a literal sun-blocking veil around the planet, reflecting sunlight back into space and dramatically cooling global temperatures. In 1816, the effects became horrifyingly apparent. North America and Europe experienced unprecedented cold. Farmers watched in horror as frost killed crops in June and July. Snow fell in June in Quebec. New England experienced a cold snap that destroyed virtually all agricultural production. Temperatures in some regions dropped between 1 and 3 degrees Celsius, a seemingly small change with catastrophic consequences. What might sound like a minor temperature shift translated into complete agricultural failure across multiple continents. Act 3. Human impact and migration. The climatic disaster triggered massive human migrations and societal transformations. In the northeastern United States, thousands of farmers abandoned their lands, initiating a significant westward migration. Vermont alone saw over 10,000 residents leave the state, seeking more hospitable farming conditions. European countries faced even more severe challenges. In Switzerland, the poor harvests led to widespread famine. Bread prices skyrocketed, and social unrest became commonplace. In Ireland, the agricultural failures set the stage for future challenges that would ultimately contribute to massive emigration patterns. Act 4. Unexpected innovations. Not all consequences were purely negative. The challenging climate sparked remarkable human creativity and adaptation. Writers like Mary Shelley, stuck indoors during the unusually cold Swiss summer, found inspiration. Confined to her residence near Lake Geneva, she began writing Frankenstein, a novel born from the very climate disruption we're discussing. Scientists and agriculturalists began developing more resilient crop varieties and understanding climate's role in food production. These early adaptations would later contribute to more robust agricultural practices. Act 5. Scientific understanding. The year without a summer wasn't just a historical oddity, it became a critical moment in understanding global climate systems. Scientists realized how a single volcanic event could dramatically influence worldwide weather patterns. Modern climate research continues to study the Tambora eruption as a crucial case study in understanding potential large-scale climate disruptions. It serves as a powerful reminder of our planet's interconnectedness and the potential for rapid, significant environmental changes. Conclusion, lessons and reflections. As we reflect on 1816, we're reminded of nature's extraordinary power and humanity's remarkable resilience. The year without a summer wasn't just a climatic anomaly, It was a transformative moment that reshaped societies, sparked migrations, and demonstrated our species' incredible capacity to adapt. Recommended resources for further learning. 1. The book, The Year Without Summer, 1816 and the Volcano That Darkened the World and Changed History, by William K. Klingerman and Nicholas P. Klingerman, a comprehensive exploration of the Tambora eruption and its global consequences. 2. The scientific paper, Climatic Impact of the 1815 Mount Tambora Eruption, published in Wiley's Interdisciplinary Reviews. Climate Change offers detailed scientific analysis of the eruption's atmospheric effects. 3. The documentary Asterisk, Supervolcano, by BBC. While not exclusively about Tambora, it provides excellent context about volcanic events and their global implications. Understanding historical climate events isn't just about looking backward, it's about preparing for our future. As climate change continues to challenge our global ecosystem, the story of 1816 reminds us of our interconnectedness and the need for adaptive, collaborative solutions. Learn, share, and stay curious about our planet's remarkable history. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.